these locks for our cabinets because our 1-year-old is into every single cabinet. What I love about these is it comes with a little track to help guide it in. Here's the lock. You can use this lever to lock it or not lock it. Slide that in here. There's a 3M tape there. Here's the top part. It should just slide right onto there, onto the track. The 3M tape right there. So here I'm going to undo this 3M tape right here. Stick it where I would like it, right there. I'm going to undo this 3M tape and shut the cupboard. It should just stick just enough. You want to make sure it's in the unlocked position. There we go. The track is still on here, so I'm going to pull that off. Make sure everything's tight. I'm going to test it out. I'll move it to the lock position. There you go. And this is the key. We'll see if it works. There we go. Well, that is a strong magnet. Let's test it out. See?